How to make cardboard tube pots. A great way to recycle toilet paper and kitchen paper tubes is to use them as pots to start vegetable and flower seeds. They are biodegradable, so you can just put the whole pot in the ground. You will need the empty inner cardboard tubes from kitchen towels or toilet rolls, a scissors, pen or pencil, and roll, a bowl of water and a heavy book. Cut about 2 centimeters in from the edge. Fold one way and then the other. Close the base and put the base in the water. Then into a tray. Cut the paper towel tube in half. Once you have a tray full, put a heavy book on top until the card is dry.